Hello student, this is the maths class for standard 4. Today we are going to start new exercise 5 of chapter 5, that is on page number 49. Question number 1 is the cost of 7 pens is rupees 364. What is the cost of 1 pen? Let us do. See carefully. Here is given the cost of 7 pen, that is 364, and ask the cost of 1 pen. So students, here 7 pens is more than 1 pen, so you need to divide to find out the cost of 1 pen. So we have to write first the cost of 7 pen is equal to rupees 364. Then the cost of 1 pen is equal to 364 divided by 7. When we divide, we will get 52 as a quotient. So the cost of 1 pen is rupees 52. Now question number 2 is the product of two numbers is 4560. If one of them is 15, find the other number. So students, the other number is to be x and the first number is 15. So here the product of two number, it means x into 15 is equal to 4560. So x into 15 is equal to 4560. Now x is equal to 4560 divided by 15. When 4560 is divided by 15, we will get 304. So the other number x is equal to 304. Question number 3 is 5255 balls have to be filled in 34 boxes. How many balls will be filled in each box if all boxes have the same number of balls? And how many balls will be left out? So to find out number of balls in each boxes, you need to divide, and whatever quotient will become, that is the ball will be filled in each boxes, and whatever remainder will become, that is the balls will be left out. Let us see. So first we write number of balls is equal to 5255. Now number of boxes is equal to 34 boxes. So the number of balls in each boxes is equal to 5255 divided by 34. Now first a form of table 34 which we have learned in previous video. Now divide and we will get 154 as a quotient and 19 as a remainder. So 154 balls will be filled in each boxes and 19 ball will be left out. Question number 4. 18 books cost rupees 9972. Find the cost of one book. So student, here given 18 books cost and asked one book cost. It means 18 is more than 1. So find out the cost of one book, you need divide. So first we write cost of 18 books is equal to rupees 9972. So then the cost of one book is equal to 9972 divided by 18. When we divide 9972 by 18, we will get 554 and 0 as a remainder. So cost of one book is equal to rupees 554. Now question number 5 is Rahul packs 2470 kg wheat equally in 38 bags. So how much does each bag weigh? So students, to find out the weight of each bag, you need to divide quantity of wheat by the number of bags. So the weight of each bag is equal to 2470 divided by 38. First, a form of table of 38, which we have learnt in previous video, and divide. When we divide, we will get 65 as a quotient. So weight of each bag is 65 kilogram. Now we will start exercise 7, that is on page number 51. Question number 1 is, it takes 77 minutes to fill 11 buckets of water. So how many times will it take to fill 7 such buckets? So student, to find out the time take to fill 7 such bucket, first you find out the time take to fill 1 bucket. So you need to divide. First we write time take to fill 11 bucket is equal to 77 minutes. Then time take to fill 1 bucket is equal to 77 divided by 1. When we divide, we will get time take to fill 1 bucket, that is 7 minutes. Here student, time take to fill 1 bucket is equal to 7 minutes. Then time to take fill 7 buckets is equal to 7 into 7 is equal to 49 minutes. Now question number 2 is, Deepak painted 28 meter of walls in 7 days. What length of the wall did he paint in the first 4 days? So student, to find out the length of painted in 4 days, you need to find out the length of wall painted in 1 day first. So you need to divide. So we have to write first length of wall painted in 7 days is equal to 228 meter. Then length of wall painted in 1 day is equal to 28 divided by 7. Here student, here is given 7 days work and ask work of 1 day. Ask work of 4 days. So first we find out the work of 1 day, then we find out the work of 4 days. When we divide, we will get 4 meter. This is the work of 1 day. So students, we have 1 day work and we have to find out 4 day works. So you need to multiply. Now wall painted in 1 day is equal to 4 meter. Then wall painted in 4 days is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16 meter. Question number 3. 4 boats can carry 64 people. How many people can be carried in such boats? 9 such boats. So student, to find out the number of people can be carried in 9 such boats, you have to find out first the number of people carried in one boat. So you need to divide. Now we write first number of people can carry in 4 boats is equal to 64. 64. So the number of people can carry in one boat is equal to 64 divided by 4. When we divide, we will get 16 people. So 16 people carried in one can be carried in one boat. So find out how many people can be carried in 9 such boats. One boat carry is equal to 16 people, then 9 boats carry is equal to 16 into 9. So 144 people can be carried in 9 such boats. Question number 4 is 8 television sets cost rupees 68,000. Find the cost of 18 such television set. Here students given the cost of 8 television and find out the cost of 18 such television. So first you have to find out the cost of one television set. So first you have to need divide. Now cost of 8 television sets is rupees 68,000. Then cost of one television set is rupees 68,000 divided by 8. When we divide, we will get 8,500. This is the cost of one television. Now we find out the cost of 18 television. Cost of one TV set is equal to rupees 8,500. Then the cost of 18 television set is equal to 8,500 into 18 and we'll get 1,53,000. Question number 5 is 12 apples weigh 3,016 grams. What will be weight of 20 such apples? So students, to find out the weight of 20 such apples, you have to find out the weight of one apple. So you need to divide. Now weight of 12 apples is equal to 3,060 grams. Now weight of one apple is equal to 3,060 divided by 12. When we divide, we will get the weight of one apple is equal to 255. Now let us find out the weight of 20 such apples. The weight of one apple is equal to 255 grams. So now weight of 20 apples is equal to 255 into 20 and we'll get 5,100 grams. Question number 6 is 15 shirts cost rupees 4,875. So how much should one pay for 35 such shirts? So students, to find out the cost of 35 such shirt, you have to find out first the cost of one shirt. So the cost of 15 shirt is rupees 4,875. Now the cost of one shirt is equal to 4,875 divided by 15. So when we divide, 325 rupees for the one shirt. Now let us find out the cost of 35 shirt. The cost of one shirt is rupees 325. Then the cost of 35 shirt is rupees 325 multiplied by 35 and we'll get rupees 11,375. Now your homework is question number 7 and question number 8.